Lord of the second. Ang Tita Christina Guevara. Masara Hermes Primary 12 also. Dancer mo yan, dancer! And of course, the last but not the least, definitely, Tatay Wilson Masitsi, the most foggy husband of our dearest Mr. Nancy sa ating pinatero surprise party for her. Kasi lagi na lang siya nasa-surprise eh. This time, siya naman i-surprise natin. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap once again. Put your hands together to Tita Nancy's Street all the way from United Kingdom. Who chose to be with us? Ilang days na? Ilang days na po kayo dito nagsistay, Tita? 1 month? 2 weeks here. And also we prepared a tarpaulin for you. Yung adventure mo dito sa Aklan and Bataan and Pampanga and Iligan, yung whole stay mo dito together with the disciples and also experiencing the encounter, then the launching of our 90 Days Challenge together with the graduation of our post-E students, tapos yung launching talaga ng 90 Days Challenge natin, daw yung trip to Boracay po ninyo. Together with the whole team, together with Tita Nimba and Jen, yan, lahat po ng disciples. And wait, there's more. You may upo muna. Because of all of the things, especially for the goodness, kindness, and the generosity of Tita Nancy, this is our time, di ba? This is payback time, di ba? Ano ba naman yung pasayahin natin siya bago siya bumalik ng UK? Yung hindi natin sa kanya ipaparamdam yung distance, kundi ipaparamdam natin sa kanya yung warmth ng ating pagmamahal sa kanya. As she also loved us. No, as a family, kasi we're not here na church tayo or believers tayo, but we are here as a family. So first, no, we actually prepared something for Tita Nance. And first, ganinarin ko po yung mga disciples. Agency, gano'n, just cross. May I call on the girls from, from Team Ablaze for a message for Tita Nancy together with me and kasi separate naman yung kami, ano ba naman yung papasalamat niya eh. So kasama po ako, kasama na po nito yung messages namin. Tara na dito, tara, dito sa front, kaharap tayo kay Tita Nancy.
Sana yung videographer natin? Side view.